How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 65 Ford Falcon Futura. Very nice little car. Got the car out of Tennessee. It's a factory 289, a C4 automatic. It's had one repaint and its original Rangoon Red. Very, very nice little car. All original panels. The grille and everything's original and excellent shape. Bumpers look like they've been re-chromed. Car's nice and straight down the sides. All the trim on the car's real nice. Got the matching red interior, black top, very nice. Got your Magnum wheels. We got a bunch of original paperwork for the car. Rear bumper, lid appears it's been re-chromed. The rest of the trim is all the factory original. Just a good looking little car. Car drives out, rides just perfect down the road. It's got the original 289 in it. They did change the valve covers and put a nice air cleaner on it. I do have the original air cleaner for it. It's all painted nice under the hood. Just a fun little car to cruise. They did a nice dual exhaust on it. It's got all the original interior, and I tell you, it's all in excellent shape for being original. Headliner's real nice. Everything in the car works, radio, everything. It's got your front seat belts. Nice upgrade there. The dual exhaust comes all the way out the back. You see we got a bunch of the original paperwork. Some other receipts and stuff, things have been done to the car over the years. The original spare jack, everything is there. I tell you, it's a very, very nice Survivor here. It's not often you get these cars that got some of the original paperwork and just a nice little car. Dash all looks real nice. Got a nice little drink holder, little console thing they put in there. It is removable. Fire it up. Thing purrs, just purrs like a kitten. Nice dual exhaust, just gives it enough rumble. It's just a fun little car to drive. You don't see many of the Falcons left. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.